This house occupies a corner lot, but its true center is not on the facade, it is inside. From the outside, it appears as a more closed volume, almost monolithic, as if it were protecting something. And it is. The house is organized around a large internal garden. This void brings light, ventilation, privacy, and it organizes every space. This is TG House, designed by Obra Arquitetos in Jundiaí, Brazil. The site is not flat. There's a natural slope, and the house takes advantage of this by arranging the spaces in half levels. This completely changes the experience. You do not move through the house on a single plane. You go up, down, see one space from another, and perceive the house in layers. Instead of forcing the terrain, it follows it, and this also creates different levels of privacy. Some spaces are more exposed, others more protected, but all remain connected by the garden. On the lower level are the social spaces: kitchen, dining, veranda, pool. One of the coolest elements of this house is the central pergola. It is made of reinforced concrete, covered with glass, and it works as a large piece of light in the middle of the house. It increases the entry of natural light, but it does not leave everything exposed in an uncontrolled way. There are skylight openings, which help with natural ventilation, and a retractable canvas cover, which allows the shading of the glass to be controlled. This is important because the light comes in, but the heat needs to be controlled. The reinforced concrete structure strengthens the idea of a solid volume, but the vegetation breaks that weight. The materiality includes concrete, glass, wood, stone, more neutral surfaces. Everything appears in a controlled way. Nothing tries to compete with the vegetation. The house has weight, but the garden brings lightness. It has enclosure, but it also has permeability. It has protection, but it also has openness. From the outside, the house protects. From the inside, it opens. On the intermediate level, more contained areas appear, such as the living room and the wine cellar. And on the upper level are the bedrooms and a shared living area. Everything remains connected by the garden. The corner could have become just an imposing facade, but here the corner is almost a shell. What matters is beyond it, in the garden, in the half-levels, in the light that enters from above, and in the visual relationships between the spaces. TG House does not use the corner to show itself. It uses the corner to create protection and places the true space of the house at the center, a garden, a void, a place where light, concrete, and vegetation organize everything.